God, you just passed out on me. Okay, ready? Alright, how do you do it?
I can't do it anymore.
Oh my God. You just fell up beside too. It's totally
It's
cool.
steep.
Where is Aunt McGann?
Guys, we finished up that whole thing then.
What thing?
The water bottle.
The water
Well, I
We did.
spilled out a little bit of it.
That's okay.
Just a little.
It was like this much.
Can I go pee yet?
No.
Guys,
I
need to
really
pee,
have to
though.
go. I might pee my pants.
Me too. I'm tired.
And
Where is he?
And? Okay, there he is.